Hi! In front of me is T-Mobile phone 6 and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Animated Live Wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin with opening Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Then you need to get this app, this one, from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now click on those two lines at the bottom right corner and click on Settings at the top. Then choose I accept in this pop-up and finally adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. Then click on the top right corner. If you wish to mute the music, click on the bottom left one, and then in order to set up your wallpaper, click on the bottom right one. Now click on Set as Live Wallpaper over here and tap on Set Wallpaper. Finally, select the best option for you, home screen or home screen and lock screen, and tap on Home button. As you can see after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!